and welcome to CATEX TV. Today is Thursday the 24th of April. China has released a Japanese cargo ship after its owners paid $28 million to settle a pre-war debt. The Shanghai Maritime Court announced today that a large freight vessel owned by Tokyo-based Mitsui O.S.K. Lines has been released from detention because Mitsui had, quote, fulfilled its obligations by paying compensation and additional court costs of around $390,000. It did not name the Chinese party awarded compensation, the news agency AFP reported. According to a statement from Mitsui, the impounding of the vessel last Saturday was connected to two freighters that were chartered in 1936 from a Chinese ship owner by the Japanese firm Dio Keion. Now, the battle between John Sharman and Aspen is hotting up. Aspen's banker Goldman Sachs has been quietly approaching other possible acquirers for the business as the company's board follows a twin-track approach of fighting off the unwanted attentions of John Sharman's Endurance. According to the Insurance Insider, Goldman Sachs has already approached other parties that could be expected to mull a potential bid for Aspen before Endurance's approach became public, and that is continued to hunt for a possible, more palatable buyer since the hostilities broke out. There seems to be a flurry of IPOs heading to the market in the UK. Saga, which is the UK insurers for over 50s, is planning a London market flotation that could value it at $5 billion or £3 billion, with announcement expected next week. Saga, which is owned by private equity firms Premier, Charterhouse and CVC, is reportedly aiming to raise £750 million from the IPO. Three buyout firms acquired Saga and AA Roadside Recovery Group for about $6.12 billion in 2007. Also on the IPO side, Florida depopulation insurer Heritage PNC is seeking to raise up to $100 million from an IPO of its shares as it continues to ramp up its expansion plans, according to an April the 21st Securities and Exchange Commission filing. The company began assuming policies from Florida Citizens Property Insurance in December 2012 as part of the state-backed insurer's efforts to depopulate or shrink its portfolio of policies. Well, that's all from us today. We'll be back with you at the same time tomorrow. Until then, thank you very much and goodbye.